Alright, welcome to my first unboxing. Today we are going to do this package a friend sent me. Let's see what it is. He sent it by SF, which was founded here in Shenzhen. So let's take a look. Safety first. It's like Christmas for me. Okay, so we have this. All right. Packaging. Box. Let's get out of the way. We have a smartwatch. Awesome. Okay, so I already have one, but let's see what this one is all about. Quite excited for this. Ooh, play a little fun table games. Okay, so a little rattly. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, fancy gold. Okay, big watch. Compared to my Apple Watch, it's a bit bigger. But I actually already know of an idea that I would have really liked this for. Let's see what comes in the box. All right, so we have the cable. It looks like it's USB to whatever that is. Along with this. And then that's all that's in the box. Alright. So let's keep on going here. Take this out. See the band. Metal gold band. Very nice. I have quite big wrist, so let's see if it'll actually fit me. Take off this. And pop this out. Oh, that's neat. On the back, it says smartwatch, Bluetooth Sport, made in People's Republic of China. ROHS, that's the company, I'm assuming. So there we go. Here is the watch. Has the seconds that go around here. Has a user manual, which is in English. What? Pairing. The MAC address on the settings about page can help you identify your device on the settings.
Activating your device using in wet conditions. The device is water resistant, which means rainproof, proof, and splash proof. And can stand up to even the sweatiest workout. Note: do not swim with your bracelet. We also recommend showering with your. We also don't recommend showering with your wristband, though the water won't hurt the device. Wearing it 24.
Für Herunterladen der App scannen Sie den folgenden QR-Code, laden Sie die App herunter und installieren Sie sie. Aufladen und aktiv. Okay, I'm not going to read the full German version because I'm not going to butcher the language, though I can speak a little. Hello. Oh, wow. That is fancy. Okay, so we got some apps here. Tracking ring. See how far you're going. Heart rate. Sleep counter. I don't know if I'd want to sleep in this, but I know that's a big popular thing with smartwatches right now. Does it show me my battery life on here? Okay, so that's kind of a little bit frustrating. Oh, I'm at 40%. But, so if we turn the dial, up is shown, okay? And you see it's very bright. Tons of different faces. I'm sure if I can probably customize some of these as I continue to play with it. Which one? So this one would typically match my current one. But oh, first things first. Let's try it on. Should we go for the Apple Watch one? Yeah. Set me your Apple Watch over here. Put this on mine, see if it's big enough. Okay, and ooh, I forgot to take some things off here. So I'm not typically a gold gaudy person, but let's see here, how easy is this for one person? Okay, there we go. All right, not too tight. Well, all right, so there we go. Fancy watch. Right now, I'm thinking one of the reasons why I would want to have one of these is for formal events. So if I'm wearing a suit and a tie, where my Apple Watch though is cool, doesn't quite match the occasion. But it's okay. This watch is pretty nice. As you see, it goes great with a nice dress.